You will die soon. I'm unstoppable, bro. You can't kill me. You will die from something big. Big like what, huh? I don't know. Bye. What? Oh, what will happen to life? Huh? Okay. What happened? What happened to you, alright? Bruh, the lights are annoying me. Ugh. Diddy, look behind you. What? I'm Killer John Mess. What? You were just stupid. Ah. You upgrade that. What is upgrading? It's something like he's upgrading weapons and go. Hey killer, what did you upgrade? Oh look. So ta-da. Signal? Yeah, cool. Mine is a machine gun. Yeah. Mine is this. Oh. Mine is my big man. What is James? Guys, look. I have a button. What is that? It says nuclear bomb spawn. Oh, don't press it. Please. I will press it. Guys, look. What? Wow. Oh, am I the only survivor?